Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a really exciting video because I have teamed up with a group of girls to do an awesome Saint Laurent giveaway. So definitely make sure that you stay till the end of this video to see how to enter and get all the details for that. And of course, I am doing a luxury haul and showing with you guys what I recently picked up. So let's get on with the haul. The first item I am just realizing is not even down here, so let's start with something else. Let's start with my Balenciaga purchase, and I picked up these sunnies on Senses when they were having the designer sale, and I don't know if you guys can see, but they have the logo on them, the Balenciaga logo, and I think I paid like $125 for these. So I love aviators. They're basically the only pair of sunglasses that I find usually always look good on me. And these I like kind of like halfway down my nose. I don't know, I know that sounds weird, but I really love them. They're super fun. They're not like obnoxiously logo-y, which I do have a pair that I picked up that I find is maybe a little bit too obnoxious, and I don't know if I'm going to keep them. But yeah, I really enjoyed these sunglasses, and the case is cool. It also comes like, I don't know if you could see it, but it also has the logo inside just like the sunglasses. And then I picked up four things from Gucci. The other pair, 3 of them are sunglasses, but the other pair, I don't know where I put them. Maybe once I go get my one item that I don't have right here, I will throw that into this video, but let me just show you what I got as far as sunglasses go. So the first pair I actually posted on my Instagram, and they are right here. I think I paid $89, which is insane for a pair of Gucci sunglasses. Here they are. They have like a rose gold lens to them, or like a rosé lens, and then the back has Gucci in like little crystals, and I think these are so cool. I kind of am feeling the vibe. What do you guys think? Let me know. See? Pretty cool. Digging those. And then the other pair is the one I was saying that I felt a little obnoxious in. So you guys tell me what you think. These I paid, I think they retail for like $500. And I paid $150 or something like that for them. And they just say Gucci with the Y, like my T has a Y on it. Yeah, I'm really curious to know what you guys think of these. Do you think that they're like too obnoxious? I hope it's showing up. I can't even tell. Yes. Do you guys think that it's like super obnoxious, the logo? Super curious to know what you guys think. I just thought maybe they were fun. I still didn't decide if I'm gonna keep them or not. So it's all on you guys. Let me know what you think about those. And then for my bigger Gucci purchase, I showed you guys a box. I did a little teaser on my stories. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely make sure to check me out on there. My name will be right here at the bottom. And it is trendythread_. So definitely go and follow me over there. But here it is. What do you guys think? All right, let me show you. Oh no, my son is screaming for me. He might make an appearance. What do you guys think? Now, don't say anything just yet. Listen to how much I paid for them. You're not going to believe me. These retail for let's see, actually it says it on the box, I think. $980. I'm not sure what they're called. It doesn't really say what they're called, but I think they're like the Sylvie style. And I paid, wait for it, $350 for $900 boots that are on Gucci's website and all the big websites for almost $1,000. Now, I really want to know what you guys think about these. I think I'm going to switch out. Gucci also gives you a black pair of laces. And I feel like with the white laces are just a little too like loud. I feel like with the black, it'll be like super cool and understated. Please, please let me know what you guys think about these. I actually got them on Saks.com. I think there was like a glitch or something in the website because they're back on full price right now. So yeah, you guys know mama likes a good freaking deal, right? So my next item is in this box and it is by Chloe. And these cute sandals that say Chloe on them, and it's kind of like a lace detail. And by the way, just so you guys know, I am a size 38 and everything I'm mentioning is true to size. So these are a size 38. And I got these on crazy sale too. I think they retail for like $350 and I paid $125 for them. So I thought they were super cute because Chanel is kind of doing something similar, except they have like a cork bottom. And to be honest, I'm not such a fan of cork. So I felt like this gave me like that kind of vibe, but they're actually not cork, they're wooden, which I really like much better. But I don't have any pair of sandals that are like super girly that I can wear with like dresses, and I thought these would fit perfectly for that. So this is actually the only thing that I own from Chloe. And then lastly, I did show you guys this on my Instagram, but I figured why not throw it into the video. And it is my Fendi baguette in the extra, I think it's extra large or extra large in the patent leather. Tabby, hi Tabby, if you're watching, she got this and I was super inspired that right after I saw her post it, I went on Poshmark and I found it. And yes guys, I sell a lot on Poshmark. I do sell luxury things on Poshmark, but I also sell just like for Zara stuff and like old stuff that I have. And I had like an awesome credit, so I paid $400 for this, but I had a credit of like $350. So this was, it felt like this was only 50 bucks. So yeah, I am super happy with this purchase. I like to wear it like high crossbody, and I just like that it's one of a kind piece. So it does lose its shape when you stick things in there. So I'm actually on the hunt for like maybe an organizer or something like that. But this was such a cool find. I love it, and I love Tabby for finding it. And Tabby and I have been obsessing over many things together, so she is a bad influence, but I love her. And yeah, so now I hope you guys enjoyed my haul, and let's get into the details for the giveaway. So 7 other girls and I are doing a giveaway. We are giving away a beautiful Saint Laurent card holder. I actually own a Saint Laurent card holder, and it has taken over any wallet or card case that I have ever used, and I have been using it ever since I got it. And I'm so excited about it. So let me just tell you what the details are. Okay guys, so here are the giveaway rules. The first thing that you're going to do, don't mind me, I am going to be looking down because I want to make sure that I don't miss anything. So the first thing you're going to do is subscribe to all of our channels, and there are 8 of us. So subscribe to all of us, and I'm going to leave everybody's information down below. But the girls that are in this giveaway with me are Amaya Lynn, Sheree Lewis, Jesus Lou, Lux Petite, Madame M.M Styleicon, and Miliki 2, and Trish Trin. So sorry ladies if I butcher your name, I apologize. But they're all the sweetest and their videos are awesome, so definitely go and subscribe to them. You're going to comment down below that you want to enter the giveaway and like this video. And you are going to follow us on Instagram, and make sure to comment on the Instagram post that we put for the giveaway and tag one friend. You can enter more than once and tag one friend. I mean, every comment that you tag or every friend that you tag is an enter to the giveaway. So good luck guys. I'm super excited. I think you guys are going to love the card holder, whoever wins. And yes, definitely make sure to look down below for everybody's, I'm gonna link everybody's channel as well as their Instagram so that you guys can enter the giveaway. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, I'm super excited to have you welcome to my YouTube channel. And yeah, thank you guys. Bye.